Welcome to Jewellery Craft Supplies. Today I'm going to show you how you can take a cold enamel blank and turn it into a beautiful piece of jewellery. Here we have 6 separate designs, all made in such a way where they can be filled in with a cold enamel. Today we're going to use a black cold enamel XaYa San paste and a white cold enamel XaYa San paste. You take a paste and you mix it with a standard resin. Now the XaYa San standard resin is a clear resin, so when you add the white paste to it, it turns the resin white, or if you add the black paste you can turn the standard resin black. Once you've done that and you've mixed that in the correct ratio, all you need to do then is add the XaYa San standard hardener. What that does is it actually sets the resin and makes it go hard. Here we have a set of normal digital scales. We've got a black XaYa San paste and a standard XaYa San clear resin, spatula, mixing cup, and just a normal paper clip that's been unfolded out. The first thing I'm going to do is take the XaYa San standard resin and I'm going to weigh as accurately as I can 4 grams. Later on you will start to understand why it's important to weigh it very accurately. So we've got 3.4, 3.5, just a little bit over 4.1, not to worry. So now we're going to add just a little bit of the XaYa San black cold paste with our paper clip. Now it's also important to know that you don't really need much of the black paste to turn the resin into a really dark, beautiful, thick black colour. There we go. Now we have a XaYa San resin mixed very thoroughly with a XaYa San black paste. All that's left for me to do now is add 2 grams of a XaYa San hardener. Once I've done that, all I need to do is thoroughly mix the both together. Here we have our cold enamel blank, and in this tub we've got our black XaYa San paste already mixed with resin and hardener, and here we've got the white XaYa San paste mixed with the resin and hardener as well. So the only thing left to do is to actually have some fun and apply it to our blank, and we do this drop by drop just in the centre of each of the squares. Now the resin will flow, as you can see, naturally itself into the corners, so you don't have to do too much nurturing to get the resin to go where you want it to go. probably what's more important than anything is applying the right amount to the square, because if you put in too much it's going to overflow and it's going to be a little bit tricky getting it out. So rather add too little than too much to start off with. Okay, so we've done a couple with the black. We'll just give that a chance to flow out and find its space, and we'll just add some of the white. And we just nurture it a little bit into the corners. And there we go. We have the start of a really nice piece of jewellery that's very easy to create. So here we have two finished products. Both were left overnight in a warm, dry place, and the resins have set hard. They've also kept that beautiful, shiny, deep, rich colour of the white and black. All that's left to do is just to put a leather strap on, and you can wear it as a pendant. So why don't you give it a try? Cold enamelling is an awful lot of fun, and you can get really great results. Enjoy yourself.